guys, I know I might look mad to you, but अभी जो है I was about to have my green tea. So basically मेरे दिमाग में ये random thought आया that भाई why not we should start making a series on a daily speaking practice where I will be like uploading YouTube videos on my channel on a daily basis. It could be of like मतलब by recording simply video or a clip of like 2 or 3 minutes in which I will be talking to you guys about my day, or be it my talking about my green tea, talking about my life, talking about my future goals. जिससे my speaking practice can also be I could also do that along with it. And मेरा content वाला भी जो journey है I could record that and you guys can are always there to witness it. So I had this idea if I should do that or not. So I'm very skeptical about that, but I think it's gonna be a good idea if I'm going to upload YouTube videos on the daily basis. Just every night I am like taking 4 or 5 minutes while walking to make sure that I'm talking and speaking in English to show you guys that if I'm actually improving, because I have heard everywhere if you actually want to improve your English, you need to make sure that you're recording yourself एंड आप उसमें देख के अपने एक्सप्रेशंस को, अपने वर्ड्स को, अपनी टोनालिटी को, अपने पिच को कितना हाई रखना है, कितना लो रखना है, एवरीथिंग यू कैन लाइक evaluate on from your side. You don't need a second person, you don't need a third person validations. It's like you will see ki where you're actually making mistake. So what's your viewpoint on this particular thing? I just want you all to drop in the comment section. So guys, let's just say that today was my first day of practicing English speaking, and I am going to do this challenge for I think only 7 days, because I don't think so if I'm going to continue at this for long, because if I found myself or saying this out loud that it's like a pressure on my head कि I'm trying to do something that I'm not made for. Basically I believe that ki if I am doing any of the challenge and I'm putting it publicly, where I also like showing my progress to everyone out there who is actually genuine and who genuinely came to see my growth, and also in the I would say a motive of improving themselves as well, because at the end this is somehow going to motivate you too, so that you could also like pursue a dream, so that you could also practice English from your side. And this manner ki how she is particularly doing every possible thing, so I would be also um can achieve my goal, right? But when you decide to do any of the challenge, so matlab, you guys might be thinking why she is not continuing it for 1 month, because I believe that when you are like doing challenge for these this much long, so it's like a kind of you must have be prepared for mentally as well as physically, so that you could always like available, you could like make improvements, make videos, make must have that creative mindset जहाँ पे you are always going and putting yourselves out there online, जहाँ पे obviously people are always there going to watch, but at the moment you feel like कि मेरे से नहीं हो पा रहा है, I am like I have ran out of the idea, so what next? So this is the only reason why I am not doing it for long. I just want to do it for like for first 7 days, and let's see if I have actually, if I will actually seen any of the results or improvements in my speaking skills, be it my fluency, be it my tonality, be it my pitch, or whatever it is. So yeah, let's just do this. So today is my first day, and thank you so much if you guys have been here till the end.